going on YouTube? Do you have Blink security cameras? You know, the security cameras from Amazon that require batteries? It's kind of cool that they're battery operated and you don't need to plug them in. But, you know what really sucks about it? Is you have to change the batteries out ever so often. So today we're going to be talking about the solar panel system from Blink, and I want to talk about it. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing down below. Also, you can follow me on my social media links down below as well if you're not already. I'd love to chat with you. Today we're going to be talking about this little guy. This is a solar panel system that allows you to hook up your Blink outdoor camera with it. It's all in one unit right now. It retails for $129. Now, this only works with their out there model, not the XT or XT2. So anything that's an older Blink camera, if it's an XT or XT2, this will not work with it. But if you got the newer one, then it'll work with it. They don't sell this solar panel by itself without the camera. I don't know why they do it. Amazon or Blink, I don't know. I'm sure you're all in one, but why are you doing that? What I really like about this, I've seen other solar panels for third parties that sell them out there. And what I really like about this is the ease of use of this. So the solar panel doesn't charge the actual camera itself, because we all know that Blink cameras don't have batteries that are chargeable. So what's really cool is it actually charges a battery on the solar panel unit. And you can actually remove the batteries from the security camera from itself. You don't actually need those in there. You just need it plugged into the solar panel, and the solar panel is going to charge it up. I will tell you, I was an idiot. I didn't read the instructions, didn't do anything. I had the solar panel outside for a little bit trying to charge it up, and it wouldn't even power the camera when I pulled the batteries out. Couldn't figure it out. I left it over the weekend. It never powered the camera up. If you buy this, make sure that you remove the battery from the solar panel. There's a little piece of tape on it. It's in the instructions. It's in the first page of the instructions. Don't do what I did. Don't be me. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing, show you what's on the box as well as what's in the box and what you get with this. So here's the box, Blink Outdoor plus solar panel. This comes with the add-on camera plus the solar panel. You have to buy the 𝐦𝐨𝐬 module for it to record to the module versus having the cloud. It says weather resistant, day and night HD view, two-way audio, motion detection, and non-stop power. Again, down here, 𝐦𝐨𝐬 module required and sold separately. So this is what comes in the box here. You have the solar panel itself right here, the mount with the camera mount right there, and the plug-in. And this has the lithium-ion battery right here, and the solar panels at the top here. You have the camera, and then you have a user guide. And then you have mounting screws or drywalling screws if you need them. You have the L bracket tool here, or the 90-degree tool. Then you have another mount. And so this mount is allowing you to, if you want to mount the solar panel somewhere else, you're able to do that. And then you got the bracket mount. So you mount this to the wall or wherever you want to mount it. And then this slides onto this. And then this is the top. So if you do decide to take this solar panel out, which like that, you can put this on top. So that way it doesn't fill up with water. But you can move this solar panel. So you can see here you got about, there goes the batteries. You got about, I don't know, a foot or about 2 feet almost of cable here that you can take the solar panel and put somewhere else with this mount right here. Then you also have the 2 AA batteries. You don't have to put these in the camera. These are just backup. This thing will power the camera and the battery on this. So you're good to go there. I've had this outside for a couple weeks now, and I really like it. If you have a Blink system out there or Blink camera system out there, and you have an area where you don't want to ever put batteries in the camera, this is a perfect unit for you. I have my hesitation with the Blink cameras as a whole, but let's just be honest, they're not bad. They're not super bad by any means. They get the job done for the most part, and they're somewhat inexpensive, so that's really nice. But the setup here with the solar panel is ingenious, and I love it. So the solar panel setup is pretty cool. So it's got its own mount, which is pretty easy to set up. It's got a back plate that you screw into wherever you want to mount the actual camera setup. You screw the back plate into wherever you're going to mount it, and then the unit itself just kind of slips into little teeth and holds it up. Now you have your camera mounted onto the whole unit here, and then you have a solar panel at the very top where you can move it in any direction that the sun is. You don't have the super duper. You don't have a whole lot of motion that you can do to angle the solar panel. So if you're in an area where you want to put the camera, but the solar panel is not going to be facing the sun very well, it's really nice is they provide you a top to remove the solar panel from its unit and put a top on top of the unit, so that way it's not just open. And then they give you another mount, and you can take the mount and mount the solar panel just a little bit further away from the camera and the actual mount. So that allows you to be a little bit more versatile with the solar panel and kind of mount it away from where the camera is, just in case maybe you're on one side of the house and the other side is where you get most of the sun, so you kind of wrap it around the corner with the cord. So I've tested this out for a couple weeks. There are no batteries on the camera, and it's in a sunny area during the morning, but afternoon and night. Afternoon, the tree kind of gets it or shades it, and then in the evening the sun's on the other side of the house, so it doesn't really get any sun there. And it keeps it on the actual app. It says external power and okay, and it hasn't changed. There is no good or bad. I don't know if it says bad or something like that, or needs charged, but it's always been okay. So that's pretty much it with the Blink outdoor camera with the solar panel. I have reviewed the outdoor camera as well as the XT2, the indoor camera, and Blink's doorbell or video doorbell, and I'll put those links to those videos down in the description below, along with the price of this unit and a link so you can buy it and put it in the description below. That way you can check it out yourself. I'm not going to review the camera on this video because I've already done it before, and I'll put it, and it's down in the description below so you can check it out when you get a second. But I'm really impressed. I really like the fact that they have something that allow you to charge the actual solar panel unit, and that solar panel unit powers the camera, and they give you quite a few different options with it, and it looks really nice and neat. Looks well put together. Now, one of the last things I want to talk about is the gap where the solar panel is, and most people think, well, what if it rains and water gets caught on there? Well, it has its drain holes, so it just drains on straight on out. Once it gets collected in there, it drains straight on out and doesn't affect the camera, doesn't touch the camera, like that. Doesn't matter. Camera is waterproof, or at least water resistant. I think it's waterproof. Yeah, it is waterproof. But so you can leave it out and pretty much pouring down rain, and it wouldn't matter. So it doesn't matter. That's my review of the solar panel with the outdoor camera from Blink. If you have any questions, comments, or opinions, I hesitate to say opinions, but if you have any of that, put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.